Welcome, everyone. Today we are initiating the primary gateway to the Binance ecosystem. We're going to execute a high-level account deployment to ensure your entry into the digital asset market is both seamless and secure. First, let's trigger the initialization phase or sign up. To maximize your starting capital and optimize your trade efficiency, navigate to the description or the pinned comment below this transmission. Execute the official access link provided. By utilizing this specific entry point, you are hard coding a 50% fee payback and securing a $600 rewards bonus directly into your profile. Once you've reached the Binance sign-up interface, you have the option to register via email or mobile phone. Input your primary credentials. Check the terms and conditions at the bottom of the module. Once you've checked the agreement box, hit Continue. The system will instantly dispatch a 6-digit verification packet to your chosen contact method. Retrieve the code and input it into the terminal. Hit Continue to validate your access point. Now we must generate a password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, including at least one numerical digit and one uppercase letter. With that, your account sign up is complete. If the inviter code screen prompts you, verify the code is active to lock in your rewards. You are now officially on the grid and ready for the next level of clearance. Next, we must execute the identity verification protocol. This is a non-negotiable layer of the system. You must clear this verification to enable high volume deposits, withdrawals, and advanced trade executions. Because this phase requires a live biometric facial scan, we are going to bridge the process over to your mobile device for a more responsive interface. Install and launch the Binance application on your smartphone. Once you log in with your new credentials, the system will automatically route you to the verification module. Confirm your nationality and select your identification document. Whether you utilize a national ID, driver's license, or passport, the system typically processes the data within 5 minutes. Select Take pictures and hit Continue. You need to capture high-resolution images of the front and back of your ID. Align your face within the oval frame on your phone screen. Follow the directional prompts. Once the scan is verified, confirm your personal information such as name, date of birth, and address, then click Continue. Select your occupation and click Continue. Lastly, pick your industry and click Continue. The review typically lasts for 5 minutes. You can check your KYC verification is fully verified directly on your profile dashboard. Finally, let's deploy your two-factor authentication or 2FA. Return to your PC terminal and navigate to Security under the Account menu on the left sidebar. Locate the Authenticator app section and click Manage. When you select Enable Authenticator app, the system will send a final verification handshake to your email or mobile. Enter the code to generate a unique QR code on your monitor. Maintain this screen. Do not refresh. Open the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. Tap Get Started. I recommend selecting Use without signing in to maintain a decentralized security posture. Tap Add a code and choose Scan a QR code. Point your device camera at the QR code on your PC screen to sync the encryption. A rotating 6-digit OTP one-time password will now be generated specifically for your Binance account. Return to the PC, click Next, and input the current 6-digit numeric code from your app. Click Submit, and your Google OTP Shield is now fully operational. Your system is now secure, verified, and ready for deployment in the global markets. Access granted. Happy trading. Please leave a like,